Hey everyone, today I'll show you an AppFolio tutorial for beginners. AppFolio is a property management software that helps property owners and managers streamline their tasks. For beginners, the first step is familiarizing yourself with the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your property's tasks and alerts. From here, you can manage everything efficiently in one place. Start by setting up your properties in the system. You can input essential details like location, unit types, rent amounts, and lease terms. Once your properties are entered, you can create leases for tenants and assign them to specific units. AppFolio allows tenants to pay rent online, making rent collection easier and faster. Maintenance management is another key feature. Tenants can submit maintenance requests through their online portal, and you can track their progress, ensuring timely fixes. This helps keep tenants happy and ensure nothing is overlooked. AppFolio also provides detailed financial tools, allowing you to generate reports on income, expenses, and taxes. With these financial reports, managing budget and ensuring everything is in order becomes simple. You can also conduct background checks and run credit reports on potential tenants before offering them a lease. This helps reduce the risk of renting to unreliable tenants. Marketing properties is made easy with AppFolio. You can lease available units online, attracting more tenants and filling vacancies faster. The software also offers tools to help with leasing and renewals, making tenant management smoother. The mobile app allows you to manage properties on the go. Whether in the office or on the go, you can respond to tenant requests, approve tasks, and handle emergencies from your phone. As you get familiar with AppFolio, explore features like document storage, email reminders, and automated workflows. AppFolio's reporting tools become very useful over time. You can track financial performance, analyze income and expenses, and prepare for tax season with ease. The system also helps with compliance, ensuring you meet legal requirements. To make the most of AppFolio, utilize the built-in tutorials and help center. These resources guide you through each feature step by step, making the learning process easier. With regular use, AppFolio can significantly improve your property management, saving your time and effort in the long run. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.